Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Latest construction progress of Talanta Sports City Stadium. Let's start here outside. You can see for yourself how beautiful the stadium is. You can clearly see for yourself the shade flags, the curtain walls, everything for yourself. Let's get inside. You see the progress as of March 2026, and this is what is going on inside. Men at work to make sure this stadium is complete before AFCON 2027. This stadium is being constructed on Jamhuri grounds along Gong Road near Dagoret Corner, 10 kilometers west of Nairobi CBD, Central Business District. And you can clearly see for yourself the painting progress of this stadium, the finishing of this stadium, and you have already seen the outside look of Talanta Stadium, the curtain walls and the shield flags. This stadium has a seating capacity of 60,000 spectators. That is a great capacity of a stadium in Kenya. East Africa is going to host AFCON 2027. Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, and they are preparing by constructing 3 mega stadiums in East Africa, which have captured the entire internet. Kenya constructed Talanta Sports City Stadium with a city capacity of 60,000 spectators. Tanzania constructed Arusha Stadium, also known as Samia Suluhu Hassan Stadium, with a city capacity of 30,000 spectators. With Uganda constructing Hoima City Stadium with a city capacity of 20,000 spectators. You can see the massive progress of this stadium that has been done by China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company. Let's give them credit. They are doing a great job. They began construction of Talanta Stadium back in 2024, and this stadium is a public-private partnership project which is being supervised by KDF. And the total construction cost of this stadium is $345 million US, which is equivalent to 45 billion Kenya shillings. And you can clearly see for yourself, seat installation progress is going on. You can see that seat installation is going on. You can clearly see for yourself what is going on here. This is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Latest construction progress. You can see seat installation progress for yourself. You can clearly see what China Roads and Bridge Corporation Company has done as of March 2026. Construction of this stadium is going to help to host AFCON 2027. You can see the painting progress for yourself. This is the finishing point of this mega stadium that is going to host AFCON 2027. Guess the percentage which is remaining on the comment section. Give your opinion. What percentage of Talanta Stadium is remaining to say Talanta Stadium is complete? Which percentage is remaining so that we can say this stadium is complete, constructed? Give your opinions on the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video to this far, like the video and subscribe. This is Talanta Stadium in Nairobi, Kenya. Latest construction progress as of March 2026. Enjoy the video. Thank you.
Thank you.